Hey, Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add an image on your Wix.com and how you can create an image using Wix AI. It's very simple and crazy way. Please stay with at the last moment video. Just I'm on my website. Just click on this menu, add element. Then again click on image button. Then you can see here the create AI image. Just click here. Then describe what type of image you want to create. Right now example of I want to create a, so just click on create image. Then waiting few seconds because this is processing time. You must be need this time. Wow, you can see this Wix AI create a image for me. It's absolutely fantastic and I really love it. So if I want to use this picture on my website, just click on use image. Then crop ratio is for free. So I want to create it on by one. Otherwise, this is a really good size. So I want to crop some here. Wow, this is a good. So if I want to again edit in this picture, this size, this background, anything, just click on upscale. But I don't need, but lots of option here. Adjust filter, cut out text, overlay background, etc are changeable, but I don't need here. Then I click on save menu. Wow, this is really good. So I want to use this image on my website, this section. So I want to use here for example. This is only example. So when I is its business purpose, I use this picture on the right way. So if you want to more video to type of, please comment below. If you have any other query, please let me know in the comment section. See you again. Take care. Bye.